Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna see a comparison between DeepSeek and Google Gemini AI. Firstly, DeepSeek Air 1 is a good response but lacked citation and missed some details like Paraguard IUD. Gemini is a built research plan, gathered high quality sources and provided in-depth accurate report. The big difference, trust and actionability. Gemini didn't just generate an answer, it gave the user confidence to make the decision, which is critical in fields like investing, healthcare, and law. So, where does DeepSeek shine? DeepSeek excels in efficiency, open source flexibility, and affordability. If you're a developer looking for a cheap, fast, and customizable model, it's a solid option, but for deep, reliable research with citation, Gemini seems to be in a league of its own. So, would love to see if DeepSeek improves in this area and with future updates. Let me know in the comments what do you think. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.